Good morning, India. Good afternoon, Australia. My name is Suma Venkatesh Kumar. I'm a volunteer teacher with the Art of Living Foundation. The Art of Living is an international NGO founded by Sri Ravi Shankar, a humanitarian par excellence, global peace ambassador, and a spiritual master to millions around the world. So, welcome to today's session on desktop yoga and meditation. I facilitate yoga and meditation programs for the Art of Living Foundation. Let's begin by honoring the traditional owners of this beautiful land of Australia, respecting the elders past, present, and emerging. Sri Ravi Shankar founded the Art of Living 40 years ago with a vision to see a stress-free and violence-free world. His mission is to see a smile on every face. So with this, let us start the first yoga, which is to have a smile on your face. Okay? So let's begin. So what is desktop yoga? Today we are forced to spend a lot of time in front of the television, working from home. So a lot of stress accumulates in this region, in the head and shoulders region. So desktop yoga is to give a little relief to this region. So let's begin. Keeping one hand on top of your head and the other hand, palm facing the ceiling, you can keep it on your knee. You can sit comfortably in a chair with your spine erect, or if you're sitting on the floor, that's fine. Just see that we begin with keeping our spine erect. So let's begin. Breathing in and out, just observe the natural rhythm of your breath. And gently massage the top of your head in circular motion. See if you can synchronize your breath with the movement. Half a circle breathe in and the other half breathe out. When you complete this round, you may reverse the direction. And relax your hands. With your index finger and thumb, gently press on your eyebrows and stretch them out. With your index finger and middle finger, massage the sides of your temples. Circular motion, 3 rounds clockwise and 3 rounds anti-clockwise. And where your upper and lower jaw meet, you can open and feel this region and massage that region. A lot of stress accumulates here. Let's release all the knots from here. And pull your ears. Pull your ears in all directions. Stretch them out. And keep that smile on your face. Pull your earlobe down. And you can do a bit of a cycling with your ears. And let go. Now let's do some eye rotations. 3 rounds clockwise and 3 rounds anti-clockwise. So breathing in, take your eyes up to your right, down and left. Continue. Reverse direction. And squeeze your eyes closed, shut tight. And open and stare in front of you. Once again, shut tight, squeeze your eyes. And open. And blink your eyes. Blink, blink, blink. And relax. Breathing in, take your neck back. Exhaling, chin to the chest. And gently make some neck rotation. Very slowly, no hurry. And when you complete this round, reverse the direction. And keeping your hands on your shoulders, let's do some shoulder rotations. Breathing in, bring your hands up and back. And reverse direction. And now stretch your arms to your sides and push as if there are some imaginary walls there. Just push those walls. Push, push, push. And say bye-bye to all the stress that comes from all directions. You're not going to entertain any of them. And shake your hands. Shake, 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 shake. And relax. Now breathing in, take your hands up, interlace your fingers. Take your hands up, stretch up. Exhaling, tilt to the right. Breathe in, come back to the center. Exhaling, tilt to the left. One more time, breathe in, come back to the center. Exhaling, tilt to the left. Breathe in to the center. Exhaling, tilt to the left. Come back to the center and relax your hands. Now twist to your left and look over your left shoulder. Take your left hand behind you. Right hand can hold the left knee. Keep breathing. Breathe in to the center. Exhaling, twist to the right and look over your right shoulder. One more time, breathe in to the left. And to the right. Breathe in, come back to the center. And gently tilt from side to side. Keeping your attention on the base of your spine. Just like a pendulum. Your spine goes from side to side. And relax, come back to the center. Keeping your eyes closed. We'll do some pranayama or breathing exercises. We'll do the yogic breathing or abdominal breathing. One hand on your chest and one hand on the abdomen. Breathe in and bloat your stomach. Expand your chest, take your shoulders back and up. Exhaling, relax your shoulders and pull your navel to the spine. Breathe in again. Breathe in. Bloat your stomach. Expand your chest. Take your shoulders back and up. Feel the lungs expand. Fill them up with air. And relaxing. Pull your navel in. Continue at your own pace. Deep, long inhalations. And deep, long exhalations. And the next time you exhale, you may relax your hands. You might notice your mind is settling down. The next breathing technique we'll do is called the Brahmari breathing or the humming breath. Keeping your index finger on your ears, you know that little cartilage there, keeping it there. We breathe in through the nose and exhale through the nose at the same time, making a humming sound. Sound as you exhale. You must feel that humming sound in your throat, in your forehead region. So let's begin. 3 times we do, one after the other. So follow your own breath. Breathe in. Gently open and close your ears. And relax your hands. Be with that stillness. We do one more breathing exercise. This is called the whistling pranayama or the straw breath. So we breathe in through the nose and breathe out through the mouth, making a round with your mouth, purse. And as you exhale, deep, long exhalation, a slight whistling sound can come from you. So we will do this about 3-4 times. So breathing in, keeping your eyes closed, breathe in through the nose, exhaling through the mouth, making a round with your lips. Continue at your own pace. And the next time you exhale, you may relax, keeping your eyes closed and sit back for a guided meditation in the voice of Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, founder of Art of Living. You simply have to follow the instruction in a light manner and let go.
Let's sit back with a smile, relax, and enjoy the meditation with Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar.
Let us sit comfortably, easily and close eyes. आराम से बैठ जाते हैं और हम आंखें बंद कर लेंगे, कंधों को ढीला छोड़ देते हैं. Let's take a deep breath in and let go. गहरी सांस लेते हैं और छोड़ते हैं. जैसे जल में मछली रहती है, ऐसे हवा में हम रहते हैं. Like fish in the water, we are in air. Become aware of the air all around you. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. And become aware of the breath inside of you. It is the breath that is keeping us alive. And it is the breath that helps us to see, touch, smell, taste. It is the breath that helps us to speak and hear. सांस के होने से हम जीवित हैं और देखने का, सुनने का, सूंघने का, स्वाद लेने का, ये सब काम सांस से ही होता है. फिर एक गहरी सांस लीजिए, भर लीजिए. Let's fill ourselves with deep breath. Hold the breath and let go. छोड़ दें. हम बोलते हैं, गाते हैं, सब हमारे भीतर सांस है, हवा है. ये नहीं तो ना बोल पाएंगे, ना चल पाएंगे, ना सुन पाते हैं. हम इस सांस के लिए शुक्रगुजार हो जाएं. Let us honor our own breath. It's the breath that is helping us to speak and to hear as well. Breathe in and let go. एक गहरी सांस लीजिए और छोड़े.
Take another breath in and relax.
प्रकृति में सब जगह एक शब्द गूंजती है, वो ओंकार है. एक ओंकार. उस समुंदर के किनारे जाओ, वही आवाज सुनाई देगी. पहाड़ के चोटी पर भी वही आवाज. और मौन में, ध्यान में जाओ, वहीं पर भी एक ओंकार जो सच्चा नाम है, वही सुनाई देगा. Is one universal sound, one universal energy that is represented by Om. Let's say that 3 times. It's a sound that is permeating in the whole nature. Take a deep breath in. Om means love and peace. Let us spread this vibration of love and peace around us. Another deep breath in. Om. का अर्थ है शांति, प्रेम और अकाल पुरुष। फिर एक गहरी सांस लेते हैं और उस तरंग को, उस वाइब्रेशंस को हम अनुभव करते हैं। हम मुस्कान के साथ विश्राम करें। Let us repose in ourselves with a smile. This time there is nothing to do and nothing to know either. Let us become aware of the space in the entire room we are sitting. जिस कमरे में बैठे हैं उस कमरे के दीवार और छत के बीच में जितनी भी जगह है उसको याद कर लें। मन ही मन दीवालों को छू लीजिएगा। You are feeling the walls of your room and also the ceiling. And let go all your efforts. मन फैल जाता है, पानी से भी पतला है, हवा से भी पतली है, तो मन को ढीला छोड़ते ही आप पूरा कमरे में अपने मन को फैले हुए पाओगे। The mind expands as you relax. Keep relaxing and let the mind keep expanding in all sides. आंखें बंद है इस वक्त, हम अपने मन को भीतर ले गए। Our eyes are closed. Our mind is moving inward. मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते विश्राम करें। Repose with a smile. And let the smile percolate to the back of your head. जैसे चेहरे में मुस्कान है, वैसे मस्तिष्क के कण कण में मुस्कान को उतरने दीजिए। सिर के पीछे भी मुस्कान को जाने दें। Let us repose with this faith. All that you wanted, you got, and many more of what you want, you will get it. अभी तक जो चाहा बहुत कुछ मिला है, जो मिला है उसके प्रति संतुष्ट हो। आगे जो भी लेना है, मिलना है आपको, वो मिलेगा, ऐसे भरोसा हो तो आप विश्राम कर सको। When you're confident, you will get what you need, what you desire. You will repose in the present moment. Let go of all the feverishness in the mind with the assurance you will get what you want. Whatever thoughts are coming in the mind, just let them come. Good thoughts, bad thoughts. Embrace them all. मन में जो भी विचार आ रहे हो, अच्छे बुरे, सभी विचारों को स्वीकार करें और विश्राम करें। Let every cell in your body relax, blossom, expand. शरीर के एक एक कण को विश्राम मिले, मुस्कान उसमें उतरे और खिलने दीजिए सब कुछ। आपका दिल भी खिला हुआ है, मन भी खिला हुआ है, बुद्धि भी खिली हुई है। ऐसे सोच कर विश्राम कर। Our life is a gift, and the whole world that we are in is also a gift to us. Let us honor this gift. हमारा शरीर तो हमें एक तोहफा से मिली है और एक सारा संसार भी तोहफा है, उपहार है। हमारे मित्र, बंधु, रिश्ते सभी भी हमारे लिए तोहफा है। All our gifts, all our friends, family, everyone is a gift to us. You are grateful for all that you have received. Repose in yourself. जो भी हमको मिला है वो सब के लिए हम धन्य भागी हैं। दुख भी जो मिला है वो जीवन को गहराई दी, तो सुख हमको विस्तार दिया। The good days have given you strength and expansion. The bad days have given you depth and wisdom. Let go of all the past. Let's take another deep breath in. With a smile and let go. Breathe out with a smile. You honor your own body, honor your breath. अपने ही शरीर को मन ही मन धन्यवाद दीजिए। अपनी ही सांस को भी, यह भी एक प्रसाद है। Your breath is also a gift. Honor your own breath. Let's take another deep breath in and breathe out. Honor your thoughts, honor your mind. Let's take another deep breath in and let go. Let us honor all the five elements. Let us honor the earth element. Our body is part of this earth element. हमारा शरीर इस धरती का एक अंग है। धरती को भी हम सम्मान करते मनी मन। मिट्टी को हम सम्मान करते हैं। ऐसे जल तत्व को भी हम सम्मान करेंगे। जल के बिना जीवन नहीं। Let us honor the water element. Without water, there is no life. And let's honor the energy, clean energy. Our body has tremendous energy. Let us honor the wind element, air element. हम वायुमंडल को भी सम्मान करें, इसको भी शुद्ध रखें। फिर एक गहरी सांस लीजिए और छोड़ें और सब तरह की प्रयत्न छोड़ दें। Let go of all your efforts. ध्यान श्रम साध्य नहीं है, विश्राम से ये होता। अच्छे से विश्राम करें। Meditation is not something to make effort. It is absolute rest. Just take deep rest. Let go of all your efforts. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. You are peace. You are peace. You are peace. Slowly and gradually become aware of your body and surroundings and take another deep breath in with a smile and breathe out with a smile. फिर एक गहरी सांस लीजिए, मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते सांस लीजिए और मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते सांस छोड़ें। और धीरे धीरे आंखें खोल सकते हो। Slowly and gradually open your eyes.
How was your experience? Good. You can put it in the chat or you can unmute and speak.
Somebody's to bring you nice cakes. It really has to be beyond your wildest expectations.
In Denmark, the combination of 5-star Superior Hotel and Michelin-star restaurant within
Oh no, where is this?
has proved a recipe for success at the Don Hotel.
That brings us to the end of today's session. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer. If you wish to know more about Art of Living programs in Australia, I will share my details on the screen. You can go to our website. Our programs are available on artofliving.org.au. If you would like to contact me, this is my name, my number, and my email. We teach the Art of Living online programs, which is the breath and meditation program. We teach the Sudarshan Kriya in that, which helps you to get rid of stress and anxiety, builds up immunity, and a holistic approach to life, wisdom. So you wish to join those programs, you can get in touch with me or you can visit our website. We also offer yoga programs for children, teens, adults. So Art of Living is present in over 156 countries. We are engaged in humanitarian service initiatives and educational programs. It's the world's largest volunteer-based organization. And we have been in Australia for 30 years. And this year, Art of Living is celebrating its 40th year.